Welcome to another Domaille Real Estate video. Today, we're going to be diving into why Rochester, Minnesota is the ultimate place to call home. So whether you're considering a move here, or you're looking for investment opportunities, or you're just curious about what this city has to offer, this video covers it all. From world-class healthcare to vibrant events and a strong real estate market, there's something here for everyone. So let's get started. Let's start with the schools. If you're moving to Rochester with children or you're planning to start a family, you'll be very pleased to know that the city is home to some of the best schools in the state. The Rochester Public School District offers a wide range of educational programs from elementary all the way through high school, catering to diverse learning needs. And there's also the Rochester STEM Academy and several private and other charter schools providing plenty of options for families. Higher education is well represented as well, with the University of Minnesota Rochester and several community colleges offering opportunities for that continued learning. This strong educational foundation ensures that families have access to quality education right here at their doorstep. Next, let's talk healthcare, one of Rochester's crown jewels. The city is globally recognized as the home of the Mayo Clinic, a world-renowned medical center that attracts patients and professionals from all over the globe. This means that residents have access to top-tier healthcare right here at their fingertips, which is a huge plus for families and retirees alike. Alongside Mayo, Olmsted Medical Center offers comprehensive healthcare services, ensuring that all medical needs are covered. The presence of these two institutions also contributes significantly to the local economy, which makes Rochester an ideal place for medical professionals and those seeking excellent healthcare facilities. What about things to do here in Rochester? Well, you're never going to run out of activities here. From exploring the beautiful Quarry Hill Nature Center with its trails and educational programs to enjoying a family day at Silver Lake Park, there's plenty of outdoor fun to be had. And if you're interested in arts and culture, the Rochester Art Center offers contemporary art exhibitions, while the city's historic downtown is filled with really unique shops, restaurants, and theaters. And don't miss out on the Thursdays on First and Third Festival during the summer, where live music, food vendors, and artisan booths create a lively atmosphere right in the heart of the city. It's the perfect blend of nature, culture, and community. So now let's discuss the weather. Rochester experiences all four seasons, giving residents the chance to enjoy a variety of outdoor activities all year round. So summers here are warm and ideal for exploring local parks and trails, while winters are perfect for snow sports or simply just cozying up by the fire. Spring and fall bring beautiful colors and mild temperatures here, making it a great time for hiking or visiting local orchards. And if you're someone who enjoys experiencing the full spectrum of seasons, Rochester's Midwestern climate offers just that, and you're going to feel right at home. Thinking about buying a home in Rochester, the real estate market here is diverse and super dynamic. So whether you're looking for that charming historic home, a modern downtown condo, or a new construction property in the suburban neighborhoods, you're going to find it here. The city has a strong economy, and the presence of major employers like the Mayo Clinic mean that the real estate market remains stable and robust, making it a sound investment. Plus, with a variety of housing options available, there's something for everyone here, from first-time home buyers all the way to those that are looking for the luxury properties. And speaking of employment, Rochester's job market is thriving. Beyond the healthcare industry, which is a significant employer, there are growing opportunities in technology, education, and professional services. The city's commitment to innovation and development has really led to the creation of Destination Medical Center and its initiative, which is aimed at transforming Rochester into a global destination for health and wellness. And this initiative is not only attracting businesses and talent, but it's also fostering a very vibrant community atmosphere. Community events are a big part of life in Rochester, and the city hosts a variety of those events throughout the year, which brings the community all together. From the weekly farmers markets to the seasonal festivals and cultural celebrations, there's always something happening. Highlights include the Rochester Fest, which is a summer tradition every year featuring parades, food, and family fun, and Winterfest, which includes ice skating and outdoor activities. These events foster a strong sense of community and make it really easy to fall in love and feel at home here in Rochester. So let's talk about population and transportation. Rochester is a growing city with a population of about 120,000 people, which grows daily to around 160,000 when the commuters come in for work. The size strikes a perfect balance, large enough to offer a variety of amenities and services, but still maintaining a small, close-knit, welcoming atmosphere. Public transportation is really well organized, with the Rochester Public Transit providing bus services throughout the city and making it really easy to get around without a car. For those who prefer driving, the city's infrastructure is continually improving with easy access to major highways and the interstates. And if you're into local attractions, Rochester has plenty to offer. Don't miss the stunning Mayowood Mansion, home of Dr. Charles Mayo, which provides a glimpse into the city's rich history. The Soldiers Field Veterans Memorial is another must-see, honoring those who have served in the U.S. military. And for family fun, there's the Minnesota Children's Museum of Rochester and Cascade Meadow Wetlands offering interactive exhibits and outdoor exploration opportunities. These attractions really showcase the city's diverse history and its natural beauty. And speaking of history, Rochester has a fascinating past. Founded in 1854, the city experienced rapid growth due to its really strategic location and the establishment of the Mayo Clinic. The devastating tornado of 1883 led to the clinic's foundation, transforming Rochester into a center of medical excellence. This legacy continues today, with the city playing a pivotal role in medical research and innovation. So, why is Rochester, Minnesota the ultimate place to call home? It's a city that offers world-class amenities, a strong sense of community, and a really high quality of life. So whether you're drawn here for the top-tier healthcare, excellent schools, vibrant job market, or simply the beautiful surroundings and friendly atmosphere, Rochester has something for everyone. So if you'd like to know more about why Rochester, Minnesota is the ultimate place to call home, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel here so that you don't miss out on our future videos. And please follow us on all of our other socials. And if you like this video, then make sure that you hit that like button and click on the boxes on the screen so that you can see the other videos too. Comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll make sure to get all of those answered. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, and we love where we live, and we want you to love where you live too. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.